Affiliate marketing was responsible for over $200,000 of my income in 2021 alone. There's extreme potential for businesses to integrate affiliate marketing into their business plan and make massive amounts of passive income. I want to show you a quick start guide of exactly how you can set this up and implement this in your business. Make sure you click the link in the video description down below and download the free PDF quick start guide that I have created. But first we need to explain exactly what affiliate marketing is and why it is so profitable. When a brand or a company offers a product or a service, they oftentimes will offer an affiliate program, an opportunity for content creators, businesses, and influencers to share links to those products or services and earn a commission when one of their viewers or followers purchases. Now, there is a specific method that is extremely effective for any small business owner to take advantage of affiliate marketing. This means that affiliate marketing is not just for influencers or YouTubers with a huge following, but any small business can implement affiliate marketing into their business plan in order to generate additional streams of income.
Step 1 is to join an affiliate network. ShareASale, Rakuten Advertising, Awin, ClickBank, and Impact are a few of the most popular networks. I've linked them all in the PDF guide that you can download in the video description. Step 2 is create valuable free content that overlaps directly with the target audience for this product. This step is incredibly important because you must provide extremely valuable free content that viewers will be attracted to and that they feel they are benefiting from in order to view, read, or watch that content. This can include things such as YouTube videos, blog posts, Pinterest pins, social media shares, or information that's sent out to your mailing list. Next, insert affiliate links directly into that content. Next, you're going to need a way to drive traffic to that content. Now, there are several things you can do in order to create a system to drive traffic to that content and those links. Number 1, you can create video content. YouTube videos and TikTok videos and Instagram Reels are huge right now, and all 3 of those platforms include an algorithm in it which constantly evaluates what viewers are interested in and pushes content in front of those viewers. Next, utilize the power of search engine optimization. Titles, tags, image names, file names, link backs, and carefully worded text with target keywords are all incredibly powerful ways to get yourself found through search engines. Next, harness the power of Pinterest. Using this visual search engine paired with graphics that you create in Canva can be a very powerful way to drive traffic. You can even automate this system using an application called Tailwind to repin an automatic loop of content shares. Lastly, repurpose your content. Take the material that you already created and post it across multiple different platforms. Create smaller or larger chunks and segments from other content and follow the interests that you see to create more content on those particular lines.
Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you download the PDF Quick Start Guide in the video description. Let me know in the comments down below if you have started or if you plan to begin implementing affiliate marketing into your business.